Earn dollars, $100, $200, up to $300 easily, and for free using this site that I want to introduce to you today. Just by clicking Ka, you can earn dollars completely free and very, very, very easily. Get much closer to financial independence, and no matter where you are in the world, I'll teach you how to earn dollars by clicking on this site. Hello guys, welcome to a new video on earning dollars with just a mobile phone. I want to teach you how you can reach a positive income of $1,000, $2,000 to $3,000 a month using just a mobile phone. This is through these free sites that I introduced to you. For registration, click on the sign up option. In the first section, it asks for a name, in the second section an email, and in the third section a password. You click on the captcha and then click on create account. Just like that, with 3 clicks, I earned $3 and I have 17,000 clicks, which I will show you in this video how you can achieve free income and increase your number of clicks. Because when you register, it only gives you 50 clicks. So what should we do to have 17,000 clicks like me? How do we reach this number? Later in the video, I will teach you with tricks and various methods how you can achieve an income and even earn $300 a day. You just need to stay with me. Like the video, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If we click on the referral option through this, for every person who clicks on your link, you get 1 click. And no one. Now, if that one person who clicked and visited the site, Mindana, for example, signs up using your referral link, you get 5 tokens. With these tokens, you can perform your own clicks. Baba. Now, if that one person comes and verifies their email, you can receive 20 free clicks, allowing you to achieve financial independence in your life. Look, guys, by just doing referral clicks, you can reach an income of over $300. You just need to listen to me completely and support me so I can create these increasing incomes for you and make even cooler free videos and those for you in the future and upload them for you. Now, if you introduce your referral link to your friends, you can even do referral fetch and send 100 to 200 to 300 emails for yourself through the free emails available on Google. Increase your income significantly. Now, if you want to know more methods, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And let's move on to the withdrawal process from this site, where I'll teach you how you can make your withdrawal from this site with no fees and for free. If we click on the first option, wallet, and then click on the cash balance option on the right, you can make your withdrawal. So click on the amount of money you have Atomo. Wait a few seconds for it to load. Akthu. And from this section, if you have $100, click on $100. If you have $200, click on $200. If you have $300, click on whichever matches your balance. And with digital currencies like Dogecoin, FAM, Litecoin, or Bitcoin, you can make your withdrawal with no fees or minquant. If you want to withdraw with PayPal, it takes a 10% fee, But with digital currencies, it's completely free and without any fees. I really love you all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more tutorials, remember to subscribe to the channel, like, and watch the videos. Thank you very much. Until the next video, goodbye.